Hi friends, I'm Dr. Ryan here and welcome back to you to my YouTube channel for more questions on current affairs. Consider the following statements regarding the Alliance for Poverty Eradication. It has been launched by the World Economic Forum. India is a founding member of the alliance. Now again the explanations for you, statements for you. Options again, which of the following statements given above is correct? Now one only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. So the right answer for this question is answer B, which is two only. Let us go through the explanation why it is. Statement 1 is incorrect. Alliance for Poverty Eradication was launched recently at the 74th session of the United Nations General Assembly by UNGA President. UNGA President stated that the alliance can pull together all the factors and interests in poverty eradication and serve as a one-stop networking, information sharing and bridge building center. It should provide a mechanism for interrogating the poverty challenge from all possible angles. Statement 2 is correct because India has become a founding member of an alliance for poverty eradication at the United Nations. Let us go to the next question. Considering the following statement regarding the ASTHROS mission, it is China's Mars mission with a lander and rover on board. It will search for signs of habitable conditions on Mars. Now again, dear friends, which of the statements given above is or correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. The right answer here is D. Let us see. It means that both statements, again the both statements are incorrect. Let us know why. See, NASA has begun to work on a new mission that will carry a cutting edge 8.4 foot 2.5 meter telescope high into the stratosphere on a balloon. It is tentatively planned to launch in December 2023 from Antarctica. ASTROS or HROS is like a shorter for astrophysics stratigraphic telescope for high spectral resolution observation and sub submillimeter. I hope the full form of this. Then wavelength. Here we'll spend about 3 weeks drifting on air currents above the icy southern continent. It will be managed by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. The ASTROS observes far-infrared light or light with the motion and speed of gas around newly formed stars. I think there are some terms. I don't know whether I might have pronounced it. I don't know whether I have pronounced it the right way or not. But dear friends, this is an explanation for you to know more about this mission. Now, continuing of this, during flight, the mission will study 4 main targets: 2 star-forming region in the Milky Way galaxy, the Mission A3 galaxy, and TW Hydrae, a young star surrounded by a wide disk of dust and gas where planets may be forming. Yeah, let us go to the next question. Consider the following statement regarding the special window for affordable and mid-income housing. The initiative provides collateral-free debt funding to affordable house buyers. The central government is the sponsor for this SWAMIH fund, like a special window for affordable and mid-income housing. Begin, dear friends, which of the statement above is correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. So here the right answer is B. Let me tell you why the right answer is B, because the statement 1 is incorrect. Special window for affordable and mid-income housing fund provides priority debt financing for the completion of stalled housing projects that are in affordable and middle income housing sector. This fund would provide relief to developers that require funding to complete a set of unfinished projects and consequently ensure delivery of homes to the home buyers. Statement 2 is correct because for the purpose of the fund, the government acts as a sponsor. The fund is set up as an alternate investment fund, debt fund registered with SEBI, SEBI. The SEBI Cap Venture Limited is the investment manager for First AIF under the special window. Yeah, thank you.